Hello student, today we are going to conduct a topic fits and types of fits from the subject MWM, that is mechanical working drawing of program ME3I. Now what is meant by fit? Fit is the degree of tightness between the two parts. It is relationship between two existing parts, that is shaft and hole, which are to be assembled with respect to the difference in their sizes before assembly. What it means? In each and every components where the two components are joined, they are having some sliding motion, maybe tight, maybe loose. So the degree of that tightness is known as fit. Means shaft and hole is there, assembled, and the sizes are different, means minor variations are there, and we have to find that degree of looseness or tightness, which is nothing but the fit. Okay, now the types of fit. There are three types of fit basically: clearance fit, transition fit, and interference fit. Okay, let us see the difference between these. Three types of fit. First of all, clearance fit. See the diagram. We will see in detail on more 2-3 diagrams. Just for the sake of your understanding, just see the first diagram where the shaft with smaller diameter than hole. Here, yellow color indicates shaft and green color indicates hole. Actually, it is cut section. In between these two, there is some clearance provided. So this is the clearance fit. In second case, in interference fit, shaft with larger diameter than hole. Actually, it is not too large, but some nominal extra dimensions are provided. In this case, shaft is having somehow larger diameter than the hole. So this is interference fit. And transition fit, the type of fit whose degree of clearance is more or less between clearance and interference. So in between clearance and interference, transition fit exists. Fine. आता हे कट सेक्शन असतात, तुम्ही समोरून पाहताय तो कट केलाय, त्याच्यानंतर तो कसा दिसेल असे हे व्ह्यूज असतात. फाईन. मधला हा जो आहे तो शाफ्ट असेल. See next diagram. So here shaft is given and hole is given. This is the complete hole and three shafts are given. First of all, this shaft number 1 having less diameter, so here clearance is provided, so it is clearance fit. Here shaft diameter is more, it is interference fit, and here it is overlapping, so it is transition fit. So shaft number 2 is under the transition fit. Now again, fits, assembly condition between hole and shaft. Hole means a feature engulfing a component and shaft means a feature being engulfed by the component. Now see the clearance fit. Here in clearance fit, there is always gap between two mating parts. Here is the gap, so it is clearance in the diagram. A feed between mating parts having limit of size so prescribed that clearance will result in a assembly. In this, the shaft size is small as compared to hole size. Shaft is small, so this is shaft. Use of clearance feed generally pivots, lock and key, door and door frame. Fine. All these are the example of clearance feed. Now next, interference feed. In interference feed, a shaft diameter is somehow more or at least equal to the hole. Interference feed always overlaps. Hole and shaft size always overlaps, are used mainly for press fit where parts are pushed together and require no other fastener. The upper limit size of hole is smaller or at least equal to the lower limit size of shaft. Use of this is in bearing bushing, pin in bicycle chain, flanges, etc. So all these are the examples of interference fit. Now see the transition fit. In this type of fit may result in interference or clearance. Interference or clearance. The tolerance zone of the hole and shaft are partly and completely interference. It may be interference or clearance. So we call it as a transition. It may be further subclassified into force fit, tight fit, push fit, etc. Use of it in the pulley and bushing and flush bolts, etc. Fine. So this transition fit may be interference, may be clear. थोड़ी practice लागेल. Okay. So in this lecture we have studied fits and their types. 3 types: clearance fit, transition fit, interference fit. We have seen what is meant by clearance and their example, what is meant by interference and their example, and what is meant by transition and their example.